Come test drive the 2014 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.